What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today we're in Marion, Ohio at the YouTube meet and greet, and that'll be a separate video, but they were gracious enough to open up their Model Railroad Club layout, so I'll run through there real quick and get a sneak peek of it, because I've never seen it, and everybody says it's pretty nice. So I'll just do a fire hose through it for you real quick and see what it's all about. Pretty cool. I like that cut. I'm a fan of cuts. I don't know, but that looks good. I'm a big fan of cuts.
Yeah. You know the best one, and I have been researching that, the best pieces I found from rooftop you actually got real cheese on
Thank you.
that way you're not getting a picture of my ugly head. Yeah, there's just I'll get them. Got one of those pizza huts. Teflon.
Ooh, I like this. I like a good scrapyard.
Tray on it. It's on the turntable.
Nice.
One underneath, one on top. Timer. You just set it.
This is a cool scene. Check that out. Wow. A lift bridge back there. Baskel Bridge.
And they seem to have the proper proportions and stuff on them.
We got a coal barge.
Always like the pictures. It's good. Brothers down on Delaware Avenue. The last time I went in there, I got 3 toppings. I think it was 17-inch pizza.
Small little
Deal with the head where you get the
turntable, 2 engines, coal mine.
Is that? Oh, what's the best piece of place around here, I was asked?
Brothers or Tony's? Or Tony's.
Alright, it might be easier for us to